Here are 2 ways you can make money in real estate fast with little to no money. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian Tran, where I teach you guys business, real estate, lifestyle, and all the other fun stuff that you love to watch. And in this episode, I want to show you guys 2 ways that you can make money in real estate. And this isn't investing, but these are kind of like businesses of real estate where you can make multiple hundreds of thousands and even $1 million a year. Starting off with number 1 is to become a licensed real estate agent. And depending on your state, it can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000, and you'll get licensed and you can start helping buyers and sellers buy and sell real estate. And on average, you'll make about 2.5% on one side of whatever the sales price is. So in my market, which was about $1 million a home, I was making $25,000 per house. Believe it or not, guys, that's how I actually got my start. I was a licensed real estate agent. I still am licensed for going on close to 10 years now. And that's my claim to fame. I was in a sales job. I sold a lot of real estate, and at its peak, I was making $500,000, $600,000 a year. Now today, I don't really sell too much real estate anymore, but I do still own the brokerage 50 Hills Real Estate. We have over 18 agents and they help people buy and sell. And so I refer people to my team, they sell it, and I still take my referral fee. To be honest with you guys, your results may vary. I've had friends who in year 1 crushed it and made over $250,000 their first year. For me, it was a little bit longer of a process. When I joined, I was 21 years old. It was 2013. The market was kind of recovering. YouTube and Zillow and all these other programs weren't really out yet. And so my way of getting business back then was to go and do open houses, pick up cousins, my friends, whoever was buying and selling real estate. It was a little bit of a grind for me. But a lot of my agents today, right out the gate, boom, they got the right systems, they joined the right team, they got all the leads, and they are absolutely crushing it. So if you want to get into real estate and you don't have a lot of money, becoming a real estate agent is a very good option. And I do highly encourage it. I think it's a great career. End of the day, if you can sell this, you can honestly sell anything. Number 2, guys, the second way you can make money in real estate with relatively no money, and I think honestly, this is a little bit better than being a real estate agent. Why? Because it is much faster, and that is to become a wholesaler. As a wholesaler in real estate, you don't actually buy the property. You are looking for homes that are dilapidated, that need work. You putting it under contract, and you're gonna sell the contract to an investor, basically selling the rights to buy the home to someone else. And then you can charge anywhere from $10,000 all the way up to $100,000. I've seen some wholesale fees as high as $250,000 for one contract. The reason I actually prefer this method over becoming a real estate agent is because, like I said, speed. Whereas with a realtor, you actually have to get licensed, take the test, and that can take anywhere from 3 to 6 months. You also have to pay to be a part of the National Association of Realtors, the California Association of Realtors, along with other MLS fees. And so there is a cost to becoming a realtor. Whereas as a wholesaler, you don't need a license. You can literally start tomorrow, and there's no monthly fees that you have to pay to be a part of an organization like the National Association of Realtors. The other thing that I like about being a wholesaler over being a real estate agent is that how much you charge on your fee is dependent on how much you get the property for. Whereas with a real estate agent, you're pretty much capped at 2.5% or 3% because your competitors aren't charging more than that. The con of being a wholesaler and not a real estate agent, really what I see is that a realtor is a little bit more glamorous, right? Those are the things, the agents you see on TV, like selling Sunset, like $1 million listings. You get to wear the suits, you drive the nice cars. Wholesaling, nobody really knows, right? There's no magazine that says top wholesaler, whereas with real estate, there are. I myself was 30 under 30, National Association of Realtors, which is the top 30 agents under the age of 30, class of 2021. I honestly don't remember. I have a magazine somewhere over there. Actually, let me go get the magazine. I got the magazine. You can see that's me on the cover. 30 under 30. I was so proud. I was so proud. But the truth is, you know, as a wholesaler, you don't get any of these accolades, you don't get any award or anything like that, but you can make a whole lot more. The last and final thing about being a wholesaler that personally attracts me more now is that speed, right? Most of the times you're locking up properties that need work, that require cash to close, and you're selling it to investors who can really close in like 7 to 14 days. And so the time it takes from when you lock up a property, assign the contract, and getting it closed can be as fast as like 14 days. So the beautiful thing is, guys, you lock up a property in 14 days, you're gonna get paid. Now, that can happen in real estate as a realtor as well, right? Sometimes I've had helped buyers that were investors. We closed on a property in 7 days or 10 days. But on average, guys, it does take longer. Like as a listing agent, you have to prep the home, get the home ready for the market, do the 2 weekends of open houses, sometimes longer, and then typically have a 30-day escrow. So on average, it takes about 90 days to get paid, right? Wholesaling, you're not doing any of that. You're really locking up property, getting it marketed, and finding somebody who's willing to pay your fee. So if you don't want to pay any of those MLS fees or anything like that, and you don't want to be a part of the National Association of Realtors, wholesaling is your bet. If you want a little bit more of the glamorous side, go and become a realtor. But those guys are the two ways that you can make a whole lot of money in real estate. Appreciate you guys watching this. I hope this was helpful. And if you want to learn more about being a realtor or a wholesaler, comment down below. I do have a brokerage right here in San Francisco. We are looking for hungry individual agents. And we also have the Flip to Riches workshops where you can learn how to become a wholesaler as well. I'll comment down below in the link. We have a free course. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.